If you're encountering the export failed error in Adobe Creative Cloud 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check file permissions. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions to access and modify the files you are trying to export. Right-click on the file or folder, select Properties, and check the security settings. Step 2. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve temporary issues. Go to the Preferences in your Adobe application, find the cache settings, and clear the cache to free up space and refresh the system. Step 3. Update software. Make sure your Adobe Creative Cloud applications are up to date. Open the Creative Cloud Desktop app, go to the Updates section, and install any available updates for your applications. Step 4. Check export settings. Review your export settings to ensure they are correctly configured. Make sure you are using compatible formats and settings that match your project requirements. Step 5. Restart the application. Sometimes, simply restarting the application can resolve issues. Close the Adobe application completely and reopen it to see if the export function works properly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the export failed error in Adobe Creative Cloud 2026. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Adobe support for further assistance.